How's it going, guys? My name is Aaron. I'm going to be showing you how to do cold pickling for cucumbers. We've got pickling spice, which you can make your own, but it seems like it's a combination of allspice, coriander, mustard seed, dried chilies, and fennel, possibly oregano. And I didn't have fresh dill, so we're going to be using dehydrated dill weed. And we've got our salt, sugar, we're going to use a head of garlic, black peppercorn, and at the store you can look for Kirby cucumbers, or these are at the store they were called just pickling cucumbers. And we're also going to be using 4 cups of water and 2 cups of white vinegar. And I might not be able to fit all the cucumbers in here, but I've got about 10.
Do you know what a Pickles' favorite musician is?
No.
Britney Spears.
Oh my god. Okay, so at this point, you're going to want to add about equal parts, maybe a little bit more in the larger one. So I've got about roughly 15 black peppercorns, so I'm going to try to put about 10 in there. Get off of them. And looks like about 6 in there. And for garlic, just want to have fun with it. Okay. Smash them. All right, then we're gonna put, say, about half a tablespoon in each. This. Yeah, it's going to be very dilly. Hope you like dill.
Spoiler alert, I love dill.
Awesome. All right, and at that point, you just put it in the fridge for 4 to 6 weeks, and it should be like a nice, crunchy, very dilly pickle. Wrap.